What's up with this? Today we're gonna be using the app Sedge. Cause, I found the app and I just went through a bunch of this stuff and I'm like, hey, this stuff is catchy. So, and annoying and random. So, I grabbed a couple of them for us to, review. And, without further ado, let's see the first one. For me, completely honest, my brother took this one. What the hell? What is this? Sounds like an old fart that just exploded. Yeah, that sounds about right.
Your sister is calling. Your sister is calling. Your sister is calling. Are you gonna pick up the phone? Pick it up. It's your sister.
Nah, I wouldn't pick up the phone. It's my sister. So, I'll call later. Not.
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
That'd be a nice warning. An idiot is trying to... what did it say?
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
Yeah, exactly. If we had an alert like that in real life, imagine the possibilities. We would never have to answer to an idiot again. That's actually pretty good. Right, let's see this. This guy got some jam. Batman got some jam. Nice, yeah. It's like he's speaking in tongues. Nice singing, tongue style. Alright, let's see.
Mom!
This is a classic.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
This is a
Mama!
classic.
Mama!
I have to
Mama!
include this. This is
Ma!
just too classic.
Ma! Ma!
It's annoying as hell, but
Ma!
classic.
Mom! 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 Mommy! Mommy!
Mommy. What? My name is Jeff. Alright. Let's see Hell to the Nana.
Hell no! To the no, no, no! Hell to the no! Hell to the no!
It's like the
To the
blues
no,
jazz.
no, no!
Oh, Hell to the
No,
Nana.
no! To the no, no!
Hell no.
To the no, 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 no!
Oh, hell no. There you go. That was some blues jazz for you. Hell to the Nana. By the way, if anyone knows what the hell they're saying in this song, comment down below, please. Because I have no idea what the hell they're saying in this song. Ooh. Alright, so this is the last one.
Hello! Wake up or I kill you!
Oh.
Hello! Wake up or I kill you!
Hello! Wake up or I kill you! Yeah, that's Ahmed. This is from Jeff Dunham. He's a ventriloquism. he deals with puppets. He makes them talk and stuff. So he makes this one guy called Ahmed, the dead terrorist actually. He was a suicide bomber, but yeah, he didn't do a really good job. If you want to know more, just watch it. It's on Netflix. So yeah, it's funny. Ahmed the dead terrorist, and his catchphrase is "I kill you, silence, I kill you." That's his thing. Yeah, his catchphrase. So that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And see you later, Marble Dave. Bye.